Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Frederick. I am the CEO and founder of Frederick Cybertech. Today I'm very excited to show you how you can use a AI agent can help and protect your business from cyber threats in real time. I have built a simple AI-powered SOC agent. Basically, what it does is that monitor the Windows Server security logs, detects suspicious activities like brute force attacks. I'm going to simulate it and send the instant SOC agent I'm just creating for this demonstrations on it. So this gives you a little bit idea that how you can use the SOC agents for your businesses and you can the scalabilities options are wider here. Let me walk through with the setup and later on I will walk you with a demo as well. So here the environment I'm just using on it. So basically the Kali mission is where as an attacker mission, I'm going to simulate a brute force attack to test the detections on it. Then whole everything is I have made it in the Windows server, a Windows server where security logs are generated and continuously exported to as a CSV file using a simple PowerShell script. So that file is basically it will keep exporting the security logs and it will be dumping in as a CSV format. So a Python-based AI SOC agent is running on the same server. What this is actually basically does it will read those logs, whatever the CSV logs are stored it will read those things and it look for there is any anonymous happenings or even just it's do a log analysis on it. Then it will see that if there is any suspicious activities are happening on based on the event. So basically, I have trained this model on certain Microsoft event IDs. So based on this event IDs, it will do analysis and see that in the based on the logs, it's there is any suspicious activities are happening on that or not. So I have trained this model. And for this model, I'm just using the GPT models available open source teleprompts. And parallelly, I have integrated this one with a Telegram bot. So it's a very simple Python AI-based SOC agent with existing LLM models, and I have developed this simple AI agent one. So end of the day, once it is done, it will log analyze it as per the trained it, and it will generate an alert. It trigger an alert to the Telegram bot, so the business owners will receive an alert that so if there is a so that in a real time you can monitors over there. So this in this case, I'm sending alert to the Telegram, but even you can do little more furthermore automations and scalabilities options are there. So you can send alerts to the SOC, or you can create a ticketing systems, or probably you can send an email. It goes on, so on. So, but this is something like a simple fundamental, which just give a demonstration how to do it over there. So what we'll do is let's go to the missions. So here, if you see that for this is actually I'm running in the Windows environment. This is the scripts. Basically, I have integrated the logs. So basically, the logs I'm just connecting the security logs, and this is the CSV file, which is this is a basically a simple PowerShell script. Basically what this will do is this is just look for this event IDs and this override from the it will pull from the SOC from the security logs, and this will be dumping in the location. Then once it is done, this is a Python based AI script which is basically do the log analysis and send me the triggers on it over there. So now what I will do is let me let me do a brute force attack. So basically I'm going to do a performing a I already created a user text and passwords. Multiple brute force attacks are just going to perform in the RDP based it. So let me run it. And you can see that this is the mission is trying to do a brute force attack and seeing the passwords and everything over there, and the attack is not successful, but there is an attempt was happened on it over there. So let me go to the Windows 10 and just open up Windows event logs. So if you see that as a proof thing, let me go to the refreshing. You can see that the latest logs are generated 131 and 122. So let me refresh it one more time. Yes, so you can see that after refreshing that, you can see that there are multiple logon failures are happened and it is captured in the Windows. So what my script is basically here you can do it in an automated manner as well, so that in a live manner you can do it over there. But as it's demonstration, to keep it very simple, the demonstration, I just created export manually. I'm just running all it. So let me run this export the security event. So what this will do is basically this event will be look for the event IDs and it will export it into CSV formats. So you can see that when this file is also last updated, if you see that the files was last updated just after running the script, was updated on 4/16. So it will be keep it tracking of it when it is last updated and all things over there. So now I can go and run my AI agent. So let me run my AI agent. So Python, this is the Python script I have just. So what this basically do is this will start the AI agent. You can see the AI agent started and it's just validating all the logs what is imported from the security things, and it just analyzing the logs. You can see that it is happening the logs. So once the logs are analyzed, it will be sent. It will see whether there is any suspicious activities, or if there is not, then based on that it will trigger a alert to my Telegram. So let's give some time. Once the complete analysis is done, I'll come back on it. So if you see that the logs actually reviewed it and it have finded a multiple suspicious activities on the logs, then it's just found it. So and you parallelly you can see that I have received a same alert in a Telegram. So after analysis, I'm just I find it. These are the login items are happening on my environment. Then immediately I can take action on it. So I no need to sit and just monitor. The SOC agent will be keep monitoring on the real time and just doing over there. So to summarize it there, by nature, the Windows log, I'm just collecting all the activity security related logs. I'm just collecting on it, and to keep the AI agent to be updated, I need the logs to be exported. So with the help of PowerShell script, I'm just exporting all the new Windows security event. Especially in this case, I'm just failed logins attempts and converting into CSV file like every 5 minutes. I can do it automated, but for to keep this demonstration and just to give a more idea on it, and manually I'm running this script. But in a real time, you can monitor, you can automate the entire flow of this as well over there. So once the CSV files are updated, then the chat agent will be keep analyzing those logs, and if the first find anything suspicious activities detected, then I'll be getting a detailed alert on the telegrams like this. Then basically the business owner can take action. And again, as I said earlier, it's a scalability options. You can do it over there. You can. This is something like login attempts. You can monitor your applications. You can monitor your entire SOC, your small businesses and organizations, your computers, from the mobiles with the help of telegrams or. So this let you stay one step ahead of attackers and keep monitoring of it. The setup is perfect for startups and small business who want enterprise level cybersecurity but don't have a big security teams and all. So you can do it. It's a cost effective customizations and easy to deploy. Plus you will get a real time AI powered monitoring without complexity. So if you want to protect your business from cyber threats with like this kind of agents or with a modified customs AI SOC agents to tailor to your unique needs, feel free to reach out to Frederick Cybertech. We are happy to develop agents for us according to your business needs, and we'll definitely support you on it. Let's work together to build a smart automated cybersecurity solution that safeguard your business so that you can focus on your growth and success. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, and remember, cybersecurity does not have to be complicated when you have an AI on your side.